If you want a cleaner that's gentle on your pool, then the Pool Vac XL is the right pool cleaner for you. Equipped with sophisticated turbines, gears and steering mechanisms, the Pool Vac XL is capable of getting in and out of the tightest spots without getting stuck. Unlike traditional suction cleaners that follow the hose along, the Pool Vac XL drives itself around the pool, effectively covering every area. It's equipped with an adaptive steering assembly that eliminates hose tangles, and its superior turbine design allows for clear passage of dirt and debris, avoiding clogging issues that are common for typical suction cleaners. The Pool Vac XL's unique vacuum wings with downdraft design makes it one of the best cleaners for pools that suffer from pollen, sand, twigs, leaves and pebbles. Suitable for all types of pool surfaces, including tiled, fiberglass and vinyl, it's designed to operate in pools of all sizes and shapes. And it's so easy to install, use and maintain. You can get it ready in under 10 minutes. The Pool Vac XL is an incredibly durable and reliable machine that will handle the tough cleaning job day in and day out without much fuss. Getting a sparkling clean pool is easy and effortless with the Pool Vac XL.